In this space, I have quite a bit behind me to clean out. This is where I started my herbs. I need to get rid of some of the dill that has seeds, and also take care of the beautiful chives that I have. They're gorgeous, but they're way flopped over and need to be trimmed back so that they can reflush. I thought I'd bring you with in case you have a project that this might inspire you to clean up as well. There are plenty of sage that I can also harvest, and then lots of people like to use these dill seeds, or I can save some if they're dried out enough to grow some more dill. And over here I have some kale plants that have actually grown so huge and something's been eating on them. So I'm going to uncover all of this. Here are the chives that look like they would like to flush back. Give me some more chives. I have some sorrel over here. This is where the air conditioner is. The sorrel has been doing really good. Also have regular weeds around. I have parsley. I did grow cilantro over here, but there's more sorrel. And lots of things I can clean up. Just going to use my box. Are some of the seeds that probably are ready. You can see those. Just gonna put them in my pocket. They feel like they are mature. They feel like they are rough, hard seeds. This one not necessarily. I'll save some of these and regrow next year. Yeah, looks like a really good seed right there. I want to give that some more sun, see if it'll kind of come back to me. A nice little basket to save my sage. I have not dried any sage either, and not all of this am I going to dry, but I will dry the good looking leaves. just hang them in your house. They'll dry nice. Let's go do the parsley. Last year I got a ton, so I'm just gonna snip it way back. Don't use it a lot, so I'm gonna snip it way back and dry what I have. Then we'll see if it returns. It likes this spot where it gets all day shade until the late afternoon. Okay, now that I've cleared out the majority of everything over here, I still think this looks a little bit ratty-tatty with some weeds in there. I'll work on that some more. Got a little bit of thyme right in the corner, and sage. The sorrel, I was able to harvest a whole bunch of that. Apparently sorrel is a leafy green that you can, I added it to some cucumber salad. It was very tasty. Leaving this kale here. These were these right here were collard greens. Let me correct myself. Over here, some more of the chives and some more of the chives here, onion chives. So I'm going to let that all reflush and get it watered well. This has been a forgotten area. Then a few things that I did harvest, some of the sage that I'm going to dry, 2 kale leaves, a bunch of sorrel that I'm going to clean up and take the best pieces of. I will blanch all of those and freeze them, and then a whole bunch of parsley that I can do the same with. Okay, it looks a lot better. It'll reflush. I have a few things that I have harvested. I also have some of those large leaf things that are growing on vines and that I can't get rid of on the side of my house. It's absolutely destroying my gardens. I'm gonna have to get rid of that. I know that lots of people plant them for decoration and they look beautiful until they don't. So there we go. Lots done here. Maybe you have something in your garden you want to weed today in the shade. I've been in the shade. It's helped a lot. Zone 8A. Follow for more.